Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 554 rotary wall telephone. This is Brian's equipment from PA. This is the initial checkout of this telephone, and it's a very cool color. Now there's a note with this unit, and it has some issues. Brian requested that we install a number that he's printed out in the dial center card ring for the finger wheel, and we want to go ahead and look at the bells. This telephone does not ring, so we want to troubleshoot the bell and repair that issue. We also want to go through the rotary. We want to make sure that that is cleaned, oiled, and adjusted. We have it loose because we have another issue that we need to take care of. The bracket for the mounting of the rotary is very loose. So we want to make sure that that is secure and that it's not moving around. We also want to take a look at the hook switch. We want to go through that, make sure that that is clean and working properly. We want to go through our network. We want to make sure that all of our connections are proper and that they're tight. Now we're going to have a couple of different options on the way that you would connect this telephone to a line. You can always hardwire it at the network like it would have been originally. We're also going to install a modular port. That way you can simply bring in any length, any color line cord you choose, plug right into the modular port, makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. And we're going to be installing that modular port on the inside. We have a lot of work that we need to start. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this really cool Western Electric 554 rotary wall telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of repairing and converting this really cool rotary wall telephone, and we're going to show a little bit about what's going on. Now we're working on our bell. We're also working on the rotary. We have our dust cover removed, and we want to clean, oil, and adjust this rotary, but we also want to show that all the working parts are metal, and this is the older style rotary from this era. And if this were pulled into the factory and it was replaced, it would have been replaced with a rotary dial that had nylon and plastic gears in it. And so Brian has actually got the older style rotary, and it's made very well with all the metal gears. And so we wanted to show that. Now we're going to go ahead and finish this work up. We also want to troubleshoot our transmit and our receive and our handset cord while it's in the shop. And we're going to go through the rest of the telephone. We'll take a short break. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this rotary wall telephone. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool Western Electric rotary wall telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and I can push that button and give dial tone or take it away at any time. And it is an open amplifier, so it's prone to any noise or static interference in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button, and if you hear any noise or any electrical hum, it will be coming from the amplifier. So I'm going to go ahead and press the button. I'm going to release it, press it one more time, Now I'm going to release it. So if you hear any noise during the checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now we also want to mention that we installed our modular port, and I'm going to do a still picture of that. Now what we want to do is we want to use the analyzer and send a ring cycle, so we'll start that. I'm going to let that go a few times since that's one of the issues. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. I'm going to walk through the numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on the rotary. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone, and we'll make that call.
Good morning. Today is Tuesday, October 25th. The time is 12:39. Current temperature 54 degrees.
Cooler today, sunny skies, highs in the mid-60s, mostly clear this evening, lows in the mid-40s, partly cloudy Tuesday, highs in the mid-60s.
We can hang up. We'll give you some dial tone. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. We'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 554 has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Brian and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.